Hello, in this video we have to study the practical number 3 diet performance. So it is member of a thyristor family. Diac is a member of a thyristor family, and in this practical activity circuit diagram for this dioc, it consists of power supply from 0 to 50 volt, resistor, current meter, dioc having two terminals MT1 and MT2, and voltmeter to measure value of voltage. Different resources required for this dioc performance are power supply, voltmeter, ammeter, dioc it may be dB3 or dB4, resistor 1 kilo ohm and 10 watt. Now procedure for this activity is very simple. In the circuit diagram, we have to increase the DC supply in the steps of 2 volt, and we have to record the voltage and current of dioc. It means this is a voltage supply, this is a voltage supply. We have to increase this supply in steps of 2 volts, means 0 volt, 2 volt, 4 volt, 6 volt and so on. And we have to record the values of voltage and current across a dioc, and we have to record the value of these values in the table form. In the observation table we have to record these values. So in this practical setup you can observe we have a power supply. From this power supply we have connected the dioc across the power supply, and we have provided the voltage to this power supply. Now dioc is of blue color, resistor is connected, and it is a voltmeter used for measurement of voltage. This is implementation of circuit diagram of a dioc. So here you can observe, as I increase the supply voltage, so supply voltage is around 2 volt. So on this voltmeter you can observe that the supply voltage, after providing supply voltage of 2 volt, the voltmeter it indicates the output voltage. This thing you can observe on this pointer. It is analog meter. We can measure the reading more precisely by using digital multimeter. Now I increase voltage in small steps, so what will happen? The output voltage of this dioc it increases gradually. Now if I further increase the voltage, then at around 28 volt this dioc it will reach to breakdown condition, and value of voltage it will drops suddenly. So in this case you can observe the value of current for this particular arrangement is very less, and it is approximately 0. It means no current will flow through this diode until we reach a breakover voltage. So this thing it can be tabulated as shown in the table. Voltage it increases from 0 volt to 4, 8, 10 and 14 volt. Now in this case, this operation it is in first quadrant. It means this MT2 terminal it is positive with respect to this MT1. If we change the polarity of this terminal and measure the voltage, then we will get the reading in third quadrant. Now when we draw VI characteristic diode, then in this VI characteristics, on x-axis you can observe it is x-axis having voltage plotted on it, and on y-axis current is plotted. Now initially voltage increases from 0 value up to this breakover point, and at this point the value of current it increases sharply, and the voltage it will drop to a lower value.